So I'm scrolling through the news here today and I see this great picture of this family who's opening a cafe in Irondequoit, Little Bits Coffee Roasters. And I just think, I've always got my insurance agent hat on, so I'm reading the article and I'm just thinking, boy, I hope they've thought about this certain thing about their insurance coverage. And in the article, it talked about they did mostly just interior improvements to the property. With commercial insurance, that is one of the things, or commercial leases is one of the things is, as the tenant, you're really responsible for the interior of that building. So if something was to happen and there was a fire, your landlord is basically going to build the exterior structure and then you're going to be responsible for building out the interior again. Most people don't account for that in their insurance policy, which they should. You need to account for that under your building additions and alterations coverage, or include that amount in your business personal property. So if you did a 20, 30, 40, $75,000, $100,000 build out to the interior of your space, you want to make sure that you include that in your business property limit to make sure if something does happen, you don't have to come out of pocket for that again. Because when you start a business, it's easy to account for it. You can take a loan for it. You have savings for it, but you don't want to have to do that again if there's a major disaster. So I hope you found this tip helpful. From the guy who's always wearing his insurance hat. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks, everybody.